Hello guys, welcome to Brands Prof. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how you can start a laundry business. Now, laundry business is one of businesses I recommend my viewers and readers to go into. Why? Because laundry business is very lucrative. Now, in this our busy world, many people don't even have time to even do their own laundry. They will have their clothes, their beddings, their children clothes, all those stuffs to wash. And many parents today doesn't have even time for themselves. Talk more of washing their doing their laundry. Now you can tap into this business and start doing your own. Now laundry business doesn't require you to have millions and millions of naira or too many of materials or tools to do the business. Some people even started a laundry business by washing clothes with their hand. But what we're doing here today is we want to minimize the effort you put in getting your customers' laundry done. And how can we do that? We can do that by employing washing machine. Now, if you go to the market, I know things are very expensive, but you can actually get a good washing machine for 100,000 naira that can do the job. Now, if you have 100,000 naira, you can buy your washing machine. Then you also need a gen to power the washing machine, because in Nigeria we have a very bad electric supply. Now, even in the past few months, in the past 8 months, or even to 12 months, it have gotten worse. So how can we overcome this and get people's job done? We employ washing machine, and we employ generator. Now you can get a second-hand generator for 80,000 naira, 70,000 naira that can power the laundry machine. Now if you can get Sumac 3000 generator, it can power yours. Now I started my laundry machine just a few months ago, and I've tested some generators, and they were able to power my washing machine. I use 13 kg washing machine, and it's really working fine with even the 1800 Sumac fireman generator can power it. So you can try it, and it will power it fine and good. Now if you're able to get that, making it 180,000 naira, then other things that you need is you need a hanger. You can get hanger for 20,000 naira. You need a washing detergent like soap and area washing powder and starch and all those stuffs. If you calculate it, you will need to budget at least 10,000 naira to get those things done. That will take you for at least the first week. Then once you start making money, you can start replacing all those things. You also need an iron. You don't need to buy industrial iron. Industrial iron is very expensive now. You can get a good one for at least 70,000 naira. But if you can get an iron of 10,000 naira, it can actually take you through in your laundry business. Now, what else do you need? You need basin, washing basin. Washing basin is sold for 2,000 naira. Some sell it for 2,500, 3,000 naira, which is also in the same range. You also need packaging. Packaging is very important, because once you wash somebody's laundry, once you do somebody's laundry, you need to package very well for you to be able to send it back to the person. So what is that packaging? You can also print a label if you have the money, but if you don't, you can buy the nylon, which you normally see when you go to collect your clothes from the laundry. Now you can budget 10,000 naira for that too. Now I'm putting laundry machine 100,000 naira, then 80,000 naira, and dryer 20,000 naira, iron 10,000 naira, and packaging 10,000 naira, washing detergent 10,000 naira, basin 10,000 naira, 180,000 naira is for laundry, for washing machine and gen. Now, if you calculate all these things, washing machine 100,000 naira, gen 80,000 naira, 180,000 naira, dryer 20,000 naira, making it 200,000 naira, iron 10,000, making it 210,000 naira, hanger 230,000 naira, tags 235,000 naira, packaging 245,000 naira. You add detergent, starch, and all those stuffs, 100,000 naira, 255,000 naira. Then you can add basin, let's say 2 or 3,000 naira, 253,000 naira. Now you have 253,000 naira. Now let's say you overspend in some things. Let's just say we budget 260,000 naira for all the materials you need to start your laundry business. Then also you also need a space. Space is very important. Now, getting a space is one of the tricky part of this business. When I started my own, I was looking for what I spent my time doing is looking for a space for me to start this business. Now, what I'm looking for place where there is traffic, number one. Number two, where people live, like people are living around there. My first choice was student area. That was my first choice. Then thirdly, a place where there is offices. You need that. Where there is offices, where there is offices and businesses going around there, because these people, they will leave their house every day and come out. You want them to, while coming out from their house, they will take their laundry along. When they take the laundry along, since you are around their business place, they can actually give it to you and leave it there. By the time they will be closing, you must have finished doing their laundry and you give it back to them. They will take it home. That's the plan there. So if you're able to get places like this are expensive, but you can actually get a place you can pay for 150,000 naira, 200,000 naira, 250,000 naira, depending on the size of the space. So you remember, you need a maximum amount of space as you can get, because laundry business takes a lot of space, because you need to package, you need to pack people's clothes, you need to pack them, you need to label them, you need to separate them so that you not mix them up. You need to separate colors so that you not wash the same color they are together and spoils people's clothes. You understand? So this is very important. You need a good space. So you need a space also to keep your laundry, your washing machine inside, because you're not going to leave it outside. Because if you leave it outside, you know what will happen in the Nigeria we have. You also, after working, you need to get your gen inside your working space, inside your space, for you not to lose. You understand? So all these things, you need a good amount of space. So I will advise you, if you have the money, you should budget for at 200,000 naira, 300,000 naira is still okay, because you'll be making the money times whatever you are willing to work, because people are willing to give you jobs to do. This is how to start a laundry business. So if you calculate all these things, let's say we got a place of 200,000 naira, putting it into the 260,000 naira we have already calculated, you'll see that you'll be budgeting at least 460,000 naira, which is good. You can cover that money in your first month of starting the business if you know how to market very well. Now, this is how to start a laundry business. So I will advise you, if you have more money in your bank account, you should budget more. Buy a bigger washing machine. If you buy 13 kg, 11 kg, at least 9 kg or 8 kg is also okay. But I would advise you buy 9 kg, bigger, so that you can wash duvet, you can wedding dresses and all those stuff. So it's very important you you note all these things. Now the generator, you can get good generator that is in good condition. Use the generator that is in good condition. Just when going, make sure you take somebody that knows how to fix the generator along with you, so that the person can actually check the generator if it's okay, if it's working well, and all those things. If you have any question, ask me using the comment section. And please also go to our website branchprof.com. So there you get more information and more written information where we detailed everything down on how to start and the steps I'm able to follow to start up some businesses I have running for me right now.